This is a quick tip tutorial from TracPrac. The tutorial will walk through the new feature of Student Web Check-in for TracPrac. TracPrac now offers two great ways to track your clinical practice, using either a mobile app or on the web via the Desktop Check-in tab. First, after sign-in, click the Check-in tab and click Create New Session to begin. Once the Edit Session page opens, you can select your site based on geolocation services on the computer. If you do not see your current location, choose No Specified Location as your default. Now select your clinical instructor from the drop-down list. Last, click Save to start your check-in time. Proceed to your simulation or clinical experience as you normally would, and then return to TracPrac.com to edit your session and add skills or objectives. Return to the Check-in tab. Click Edit Session this time to add skills. Click in the gray box next to Add Skill to access your categories and skills list for your program. Complete each of the four areas. Select the category. Select your skills, making sure to check all that apply. Tap your participation role, and enter any notes related to your performance as shown on the screen. Click Submit to add all selected skills to your clinical log. On the next screen, click Save to confirm that you added your skills. When you're ready to end your session and submit your hours and clinical activities to your instructor, click End Session to confirm. Keep in mind, you now have the convenience of two options to log your clinical hours and skills, either on the TracPrac mobile app or on the web check-in at TracPrac.com. Thanks for watching this brief TracPrac tutorial. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can find additional tutorials on our Learning Center at TracPrac.com. Thank you.